Okay, so my Great Dane right now is freaking out and barking at something, and I could not figure out what it was. But I just seen it is really, really windy here, and one of our lights fell onto the ground. Oh, it's cold. Right there. It must have fell off the fence, and she's that scared of it. She won't go down the stairs. She's freaking out like it's just some weird thing. Padme, it's just a light. It fell off. It's not even moving. It's just one of these like lights. Where are they? Like one of these things, or where is it? Like these things. The wind just blew it. It's just a foreign object in the middle of her path, and so she's not happy about it. She won't even go down the stairs. Look at her feet are frozen, and she won't even go down the stairs because there's a light in her path. Oh my gosh. Padme, you big baby. Get going. It's fine. It's okay. I don't want to walk out there. It's cold. Padme, you're okay. You're okay. It's fine. Get going. Get going. Get going. You're fine. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my gosh. You are the biggest baby. Padme. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, this is ridiculous. Padme. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, your feet are freezing. Just come in. Come on in. If you're not going to go, come in. Your poor paws. No. See, it's nothing. Oh, jeepers. Unbelievable. Just run past it. Just run past. Yeah, just get going. You're fine. This is unbelievable. Have you ever seen a Great Dane, such a baby? Are you done yet? Oh my gosh. Are you done? Are you done? Okay, you're gonna freeze out there, Padme. Come on. Come inside. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Okay, come on, your feet are freezing. Let's go, babies. Come on. Come on. She's probably too scared to walk past it to come back. Oh, maybe she'll finally go to the bathroom now. Yep. Good girl. I bet you she's going to run past it so fast when she comes up. Good girl. You are crazy.